7A. 1 and 2. Faster. 3 and quarter on 4. Repeat whole thing. 5 and 6. Faster. 7, quarter, even faster. So you can hold the movement on 8. And then from here, you brush on 1, definitely on 2. Brush bigger on 3 and 4. Back on 5, back passing on 6. Release bar 7 and 8. To the back, reverse. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Small, solid repeat. Big, round and round. Front, high passing, release bar, and hold bar, open arm. Stay on the passing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle front, okay? And change leg passing. 5, circle back. 6, 7, and 8. Change passing again. And pull the bar to the bar, okay? This make it big, okay? To the bar, and then you stay here. 1, 2, and then you fix the position, plie. Circle front with chassé, arabesque. Back face, back, front, fast, and break, again, and fast, break, clear, left okay, clear, rhythmic, to the front, passing, check, and then hold the bar. Open arm, to the bar, circle front, su-su, back passing, to the bar, circle back, su-su, front passing, to the bar, and circle in plie, chassé arabesque, finding a center, release bar hold.